Okay, I want to show the difference between when you compress an image at sea level than when you compress an image at 650 feet above sea level. So this is at sea level, and there's 3 red lines, one on the horizon, one above and one below. So we see here, it's not really any difference, right? So this is basically about what, 16, 17 feet above sea level. So you're not really going to get much curvature here. Okay, and this is the same image but at 650 feet. Now I did change the contrast of it so you can kind of see the horizon a little bit more, and there's a red line on the horizon. So let's see what happens when we compress this one. Bring it down to about right there. And let's see. Oh, see? And there's definitely a curve in the image. So there is definitely a difference from when you do it from sea level than when you do it from an elevation. So there's definitely a difference, even if you have barrel distortion. So if there's barrel distortion, you would see it at sea level as well. I'm not doubting there isn't barrel distortion in the drone, but again, you would see it at sea level.